Hello everyone, it is I, Ravenwood, and welcome back to The Random Fandom. I'm your host, Ravenwood, and welcome back to On the Shelf. Okay, I don't know why I keep on saying Ravenwood. Welcome back, I'm your host, Ravenwood, twice, but here is Road Handler and Swindler again. And here is Siege Ratchet, a Walgreens exclusive. And yes, I got him off of Walgreens. And so, yeah, he was there. Convenient place to get him. I think I also got Red Alert from Walgreens as well. But, hey, here he is. Now, I'm not certain if I will get the Earthrise version of Ratchet or the Green RC. What was Lifeline? I don't know if I will get Lifeline, but without further ado, here's the video. Here's Ratchet. Stand him up a bit. Stand him tall. And there we go. I like how these flaps can set up like right here. You can just do that, right? And so I haven't done anything strange with these flaps yet. But in theory, you can attach anything with a peg here. Or, yeah, like that. And then, voila. Doesn't stand up so well. But it's on the side, right? Now, I think you can set it up like that. Maybe like his shoulder cannon, yeah. So he's holding it like this. Looks weird. Let's remove the other one. And then pop him onto there. And then, yeah, despite the fact that he's a lot heavier than Swindler, for some reason this does not, like, for some reason this stays up and this one does not. Oh, okay, now it falls down, but this is more potential to stay up than Swindler. I guess it's because I don't move the flap as much. Oh well, it doesn't matter. But, you know, I was prepared for that. How can I move his arm? Okay, yeah, here we go. So you can have him look like he's carrying sort of carrying the two beds like that. Although, technically, it would be just a lot easier just to have them both at the sides here. As like side cannons. Let me make sure they're nice. Let me make sure that they're nice and lined up here. Right. Anyways, so yeah, you got these little cannons and whatnot. They're Autobots. They're cool. I like them. Now let's remove the gun here, or whatever this is. Oh wait, hold on. I can't remove the little... Now, I can't remember, and I'm not certain, But I think this came with this Ratchet. Not certain. Oh, and to touch this piece. So this is a little thing that can be done, right? Now you could swap it out where this is on the front and this is on the back. It looks goofy when you do it like this, I guess. Like this is one way of doing it, right? Now you can fix things up again or whatever. Yeah, so you can also remove the entire thing. Okay, I almost forgot. This is something you can do. You can remove the entire thing and have it like that, right? Now he has more reach over the shoulder. Now he has more ratchet. So that's one way to put it. Right? Or you can have it to where the gun wait, hold on. Let's see if I can do this right. Yeah. Super arm gun, super arm gun. So he's like this, pew 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 pew, right? Now he's got super light guns and super arm gun. Okay, well that's just an idea that you can do, right? Or we can open up his chest. Take this apart, take that apart. Have this, whoops. Down to the side, right? And then we can put this. Fold it not all the way up. So notice it's folded like that. So that way you could store stuff into his little chest. Aww. Problem is that things tend to fall or something. And this can just go like a jetpack. Wait, hold on. See, he's a jetpack man. Shoo. Where? So there's an idea. I'll take this off for right now. And take this out. Take this out. Take this off just for right now. They'll come back later in a minute. Let's fold this back up, all the way up, like that. And what you can do is put the thing into his hand, right like that. And you can put this on here if you want. Right, that's an idea. Put it on the back if you want. That's an idea. Put it side like that. That's an idea. Or put it to the arm like that. That's an idea. But naturally, it fits into his hand. That's an idea. Oop, I'm dropping stuff. Or you could also fit it into his hand like this. It looks weird, but now it's like some sort of drill. Right? So he's like, just, his feet stuck together. So he's like this, right? So there's an idea. You know, like this. You go ratcheting, and you can go drilling, fix things up, or fight you with them, right? Pow, right? Okay, so let's straighten out all the limbs here. I like this Ratchet. I like the ball. Then again, it's the first and only Ratchet I'll ever get, probably. I might get an Earthrise Ratchet if there's enough motivation to get the Earthrise Ratchet. But I'm hoping to get the other characters first. You know, get them individually first, and then get duplicates or whatever. I'm not too stoked. I'm not too excited for Earthrise Ratchet or Earthrise Ironhide. I just want the one Ironhide in the one Ratchet. They just look much better. Anyways. But there's also one last thing you can do with the guns, right? And the weapons, whatever. They can also go together like that. And then go like this. It's literally a do whatever you want kind of thing. And he can have it out of his arm, and then just the extra extended arm does all the other extended work. It looks goofy, but it's something. Right? Okay. Wow. 7 minutes, and that's just with the weapons. 12 minutes. My bad. I didn't look at the timer. Take all the weapons and put them aside. Wow. 12 minutes in, roughly, and we barely even touched the vehicle mod. But now it's time to touch the vehicle mod. But yes, one last thing before I do anything. Yeah, you got some blue points on his chest, right? Right there. Boom, pow, by. Or you could have it like into his arm, right? Or up here, I guess, if that makes sense. Or on his head. Ooh, that's not a blue point, but you can put it there if you want to. So, not so much on the back though. But that's all right. That's okay. I don't need a blue point for every point. I just need this guy to transform. Huh. Here's the one blue point. Now that I look at it closely. But that's okay. But like this can fit either in the hole or on the blue point. But anyways, hey, who knows? Who cares? Anyways, continue. Let's get the instructions. I only have road handler and swindler's instructions just in case if I need them, but I don't think I would. Let's see here. Okay, so workbench mode first, because he's gonna be healing people before he's gonna escort people out. So all the way down. This thing needs to go all the way down, just like that. His head, which by the way, I don't do these anymore in the videos. That's because I'm mostly focused on other things. It can move 360 degrees. That's cool. It can move up and down. It can move side to side. But that's as far as it can go. So yeah, that's as far as the heads can do. I'm a bit scared if I see a head that does more than that. Okay, I feel like it could come off or something. Pop it, removal. Oh no, what are we gonna do, boss? Use it. So the next thing, put his head down into the thing and then close it right up. Right there. I'm not certain if that's the angle you needed to have it to be. Alright, but here we go. Now he's the headless Ratchet. Oh no. Now you move this thing. You move it down. You just move it down. It goes from up to down. Big surprise. Then you move these arms up like that. Wait, hold on. Arms. Yeah, arms up like this. Right? And then they need to be facing that way. I don't. What? Oh, let me. This is facing that way. Okay, that needs. Let's swing it up around like that real quick. They need to be then facing this way. Yeah, okay. They need to be facing this way. And then you need to have it like this. Okay. This was just confusing for a second. Oh. Skip the part. Jesus. Yeah, okay. Now I didn't skip the part. Okay, good. Okay, good. They need to be facing like this. And then, see right here, these two parts meet. They need to go like that. Just like that. Yeah. So that's how they need to be together. Then you turn the figure around. Wait, no, you turn the figure around like this. To where you're now seeing this, right? This is what you see. This is what you get. You swing this all the way around here. And you can roll. Okay, that's not what the instructions say. But yes, hypothetically, you can do this. And then voila. It looks weird, and it looks like an incomplete transformation. That's because it is. Not entirely incomplete, but you can do that if you want. If you want to be just halfway, then fine. Be halfway. See if I care. I do care. Rotate that. Now this folded up on its own. But you need a nice snap. Once you hear a nice snap, that's what it looks like. It looks like a pig. And yes, you can attach stuff to the front. I just want to show you that. Right? That you can touch stuff to the front. Amazing! This figure never fails. I like it. It never fails to impress me. Okay, so swivel around. These two legs in the back. You have a little pig right there. So you're just gonna pop them into place. Exactly like that. And so technically that can be the vehicle mode, I guess. And that's what's so fun about this toy is that it practically transforms as you transform it, because it just likes to peg together. It just likes to stay together. It just pops into place as you're transforming it. And that's just so cool. I'm like, what? How is this so easy? And I like that. I like about this figure. Okay, now you need to unattach this real quick. I don't know why, but you just need to unattach them real quick. And then rotate to where the moment when you detach them, it's practically already how the instructions want you to have it. But you need to have it straighten out like this, right? Exactly like this. This is what it needs to look like. Oh, wait, hold on, wait a second. Wait a minute. This needs to be up and then pushed back like in it, so it has to look like that. Looks weird. I don't know why they're doing it, but that's just how it is. No, hold on. No, you can have it either way. Okay, hold on. You can have it all the way up, or since it looks nicer, in my opinion, have it pushed a bit down like that. So that, yeah. I think I misread. I just simply misread the instructions. Okay, now the easy part. So you swivel the arms like this. And swivel the arms like that. So that way the arms are like that, where the holes are up at the top, okay? Then you're supposed to line. That's weird. I'm not certain what they want you to do at this part. But these are supposed to just simply... Again, I'm not certain. These are supposed to simply just... Oh, just lock into place, I guess, somehow. And I'm not certain how that works. But basically, this is it. This is the bed, the med bed mode. Med bed mode on wheels, whatever you want to call it. Trolley, I think. I'm not certain. Now, this is the part where you can do the things that the instructions want you to do. This is the little ratchet thing. This goes into one of the arm sockets, right? Voila! This is supposed to go also in the little arm sockets, which looks weird. That's what they want you to do. I personally think it looks better like this. But then, but that also looks weird. So I guess just do what they want you to do, I guess. Kind of makes sense. He can barely just move his arms up and down. Just do whatever. But this is supposed to be like that. Move this thing around if it doesn't want to pop off. So yeah, this is what it looks like now, right? So this does not want to stay sturdy, and I do not know how to make it sturdy. I'm just not certain on how to do that. I'm reading the instructions right, but I guess it's just supposed to click into place or something. I don't know. But this is nice. Here you go. You got a little table. I'm gonna put this out of the way. And if it just wants to stay, I'm just trying to barely turn it. So there's a lot of moving around. I can already see the problems with trying to do a stop motion, because the wheels want to move, right? When you're trying to move this around. And the arms want to move whenever you're trying to move this around. But it's alright. Now, question. Can one of the Autobots or Decepticons lay on the bed? Let's see. Let's just put this right in the armed crane, because that thing is gonna get in the way. So let's have it to where it's like a super arching crane, right? Now, this video is going 25 minutes in. So here we go. Optimus Prime, who's most famous for dying, right? Now this is Siege Optimus Prime, and I will cover a video on Siege Optimus Prime. So right now, he's chilling on the shelf, but now he's hurt. Oh no! What are we gonna do? We're gonna put him onto Ratchet. Doesn't exactly fit, but he can lay upon it. Yay! I'll pose him back and put him back over there. But let's say he's so injured, right? Let's put him in a very low. Let me. Oh no! Pose. The old doctor. What am I gonna do? Pose. I'm dying. Yeah, right. Okay. Here we go. He's like, oh no. Right. The backpack. The problem is the backpack doesn't want to get on. Okay, so there. Perfect. It's a masterpiece. It doesn't fit, but he's lying on it, which works. Okay, we just get his. Oh, doctor, I feel like my feet are going to fall right off. Okay, so he's lying on there, okay? Thank you, Ratchet. I feel much better now. I'm having too much fun. I'm throwing my toys around. But it's not exactly made for Optimus Prime. I know, but what a real shocker. It's not made for Optimus Prime? It probably is. But, I mean, it's probably more made for, like, a small... Look how much room there is. I think what's supposed to happen is put them in between here and his crotch or whatever. All in between here, in this little area. So, that's why we have one of these small little dudes. I'm not going to transform it, but I'm just going to place him in there. Voila, he's sick, he needs fixing. Bingo is his name. There he is, Bingo, resting in bed, getting drilled to death. There. And so now for the final transformation. So that was just a transformation, right? Technically not a triple changer. It's more or less of like a transformation, a makeshift one. Remove these things altogether. Keep them like it is. Now, we're gonna rotate him around exactly like that. Pull his arms out like that. And then rotate it to where these are facing up, like that. Just like that. And then detach the legs. Now there's one other part that I'm thinking. Okay, and then rotate the arms just like this, and that. To where this is up, and that's out. Right? Right now I'm having him stand up for right now. Okay, so this is like that. Now this is the next part that I like. Okay. Well, I wouldn't say I like. Flip open that, flip open that. Get those out of the way. So you won't have any struggle to open it out like that. Open it up like that. Roll the arms to where they're in like that, right? So we're gonna put the legs back together. You know, the peg thing with the legs, to where it's like a box. Half of me wants to do it like this. Wait a second. Make sure that the arms are pop into place together. Just like that, right? Put them down, put them down. Now what I want to do, and this is just what I want to do. Put the gun in there. Or, no. Actually, I can't put the gun in there. Because I can't. I just can't. Now, can I put the matrix of leadership in there? That's for a later episode. I'll do that in a later episode. But this... This honestly feels more like an alternate mode than... Actually, no, you're supposed to have it pegged like that. There, see, this is supposed to be like that, just like that. Okay, so this right here already feels like an alternate mode. Technically. Let's not forget that this window screen needs to go all the way in. All the way in. Anyways. This kind of feels like an alternate mode, I guess. Like you can have stuff stored to the side there, I guess. I don't know. Let's see what that looks like. No, I know this video is already long, but hey, I'm the doctor. I know what's best. Hey, see? You could put the red guy on top of here. No, on facing that way. Yeah, see, he can be fixed from that angle. I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying. Let me take that out. Okay. Now, the last part. This is the easy part, right? I was just trying to see if I could put anything in there. But that's for another episode. I think there is something I can put in there. Just not today. Anyways, you close them up just like that. And so what they want you to do with the sides here, remember the sides. They want you to close the sides to where they're nice and... Make sure they're nice and evenly shut like that. Now, for the weapons, what they want you to do for the weapons is you can either put them here or here. Spin around. Clamp it shut. That would pop off every now and then. Lace it down flat like that. And you can, if you want, put it right here. See? Or put it right there. Now, there we go. He rolls, he rolls. That's amazing. That's so cool. I like it. Now you cannot touch it right there. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, on. Right. It can go all the way back here. Like some sort of rocket launcher. I don't know. But with me, personally, I like it like this. Because it's all even up. This does not like to stay there. Now, for these guys, you can place them on the side here. Make sure their legs are together. Okay, that's not gonna work. Maybe, I don't know. But what's this gonna accomplish? What's this? What is this gonna accomplish? Nothing. It's not. They're not gonna fight. They can't fight like this. Maybe. But what I do is, see back here, there's holes for these feet. You put Swindler on this side, put Road Handler on this side, and then voila! Okay, Swindler does not like to stay together, but you bend his legs like this. They have to be bent. Yeah. Oh, come on now. Okay, and then make sure that the peg is out like that, and then voila, there's one end complete. Make sure he is. You just gotta make sure that he's nice. He's sitting up straight, like that. Do the same thing with Road Handler, and Road Handler is less of a pain to get together. But there you go. There is Ratchet with the blast effect, and there we go. Whew. There's Ratchet, and I'll spin him around to show him what he's like. Rather than there's a bit off. His feet don't like to get together. But they're less of a nuisance than Swindlers. Okay, give me a second. There. Everything likes to fall apart. There's Swindler, there's Road Handler, from the back, from the sides, and he looks cool. Yes, they can attach to the front and add like more of a face front guard, or like some sort of battering ram or whatever. Don't try it if Swindler is pain in the butt to you. But here he is. Here's Ratchet. I'm very happy with this figure. I like him a lot. I'm glad that he is believe it or not, he's actually my first figure ever collected in the entire Transformers toy line. That's how I'm just very nitpicky. I just don't like the modern figures. That's all, or the other figures or whatnot. But that's it. This is, is the that's also But here's also another thing. He was also the reason why he's my first figure ever is because he was also at Walgreens, and so I had the money. He was there. He looked nice. He looked brilliant, and so I got him. Now I think the first time I saw him, he was at a Wally's restaurant, supermarket, a semi-market, but I was into the Transformer, collecting Transformers until after, until after Triptychon. After Triptychon, I was like, maybe I should start collecting the figures, and so here I was on a journey looking for the best figure, and then War for Cybertron came out, so yay. Got the Ratchet, got a few other figures after him. Got these two at a Kroger, the Swindler Road Handler. And I think I also got the Sword Guy at Kroger as well. But hey, this is a nice figure. I like it. And here was on the shelf with Ravenwood, with Ratchet. Long video. Probably gonna take a week to get this thing uploaded, but or most of my weekend to get them uploaded. But hey, that's okay, because this is what this is what it deserves. He deserves a nice full-fledged video, not these semi-parters or two-parters or whatever that I do with the other figures. Yes, I did Astro Train with like two-parters, but that's because I really like the Astro Train and that I'm a huge fan of trains, whatever. But this is a special episode to me personally because this is Ratchet. Ratchet was the guy that started this entire collection. And so yeah, here he is. Don't worry, I'll get onto the FNAF figures later. I'll get on to my next video that I'm going to do after this will be the Star Wars rant video that I'm planning to do. It would be the first of a new series of Ravenwood's rants. So look forward to that. So there's Ravenwood's rants. There's a FNAF video that will come shortly. And then there'll be a Transformers rant. Now on the other channel with Ravenwood, I am planning to do a dust video about Ruby. Well, a Ruby video about dust or whatever. It makes no sense without context, but with context, it makes some sort of sense. But anyways, so there's a lot of stuff to look forward to. I'll also be doing a toy car video. Yeah, sure, they're not on the shelf, but they will be on the shelf soon. So yeah, there's a lot going on that I'm planning to do. And Dominic is also planning a lot of other stuff to do. Just not yet. Now, will he return for on the shelf? Maybe. We're planning to do Triptychon soon. And we're also planning to do a few other on the shelf videos together soon. So that's it. That's this video. Leave a like, comment down below, whatever. Yeah. Share this video. And subscribe if you want to see more of this. I really like this figure. I really like talking to y'all about this. So worry not, sooner or later we'll go to the Star Wars rant video that I am planning to do. So, with that being said, see y'all soon. Bye-bye!